Who this? Who this?
Udi.
Already.
You probably did. I ain't gonna lie.
Where you from?
New Jersey.
Oh shit, that shit far as a bitch. I'ma see
You
you
looking?
again though. I'ma see you again. Hold on. I'ma catch you again. Oh, I like them blue eyes. I like them blue eyes.
Thank you.
I like them blue eyes. They got that shit got me weak.
Thank you.
I'ma need your Instagram now.
My Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay. It's
This,
4 T's.
this
It's
you?
5.
This you here?
It's 5 T's though. My fault. I put 4. I
Oh,
think.
who's that? Who's that on the left? I need her too.
No, bitch.
I need
The
her
fuck?
too. Who the white hoes? Where y'all white hoes from? How old y'all is?
18.
Where y'all from?
Looks like Ego. What's up, bro?
We're from Canada.
Y'all from Canada?
Whitby.
Why this shit so local though? I'ma see y'all again though. Hold on. I'ma see y'all again. I'ma crush something tonight. I'ma crush.
You're gonna cut?
Oh, look at this one, Daddy. You is sexy. And you got a tattoo. Yeah. And he tatted. Look.
Friend.
Where y'all from?
I'm from Mississippi. But friend.
From Atlanta.
It's your friend.
Y'all from ATL?
Yeah.
I'm not.
She not. I am.
I'm not ATL.
I'm sorry.
Hey, give me our Instagram.
Okay.
XOXO.M.
Type that in the chat.
Okay. Wait. MA what?
It's XOXO.MARIIMARIE. All right.
That's both of our Instagrams.
Hello.
Hey, are you an emo?
Yeah, down to the bone.
Oh, you would definitely work out.
What?
We would definitely work out.
I work out. Fuck no.
No, both of us would work out.
Oh, you think we could work out? You like emo bitches?
Yeah,
Yeah? Where you from?
I'm from Toronto.
Oh, what part?
Smoke weed?
No, it was pills and coke. Well, I
Damn.
smoke weed too, but
So you still on that?
I'm on it right now.
Damn. So what about us though? We gotta
You about
work
what?
out. We gotta work out though.
No, my boyfriend literally just got back with me. I can't boo. You sexy though.
I want an emo bitch. I want an emo bitch. I want an emo hoe.
Hey, nobody cares until you rich. Clock that. Love your shirt.
This my brand. This my brand.
Really?
Oh God.
Are you lying to me?
Oh God, this my brand.
Oh. I thought you were like, I'm going blind you. What you been up to?
Oh no, Leo. It's a blood clot Leo thing. Suck them other girl. Boy, you press skip.
Hello.
Fuck.
Hello.
This shit done
Tazaya.
on me. This shit done on me, the other twin.
Tazaya, don't skip us, nigga. Don't skip us.
Why
We're
not?
black. It's okay. We're black. We're black. We're black. We're black. I'm sorry. This is not a hate
Why
crime.
the hell y'all son? Y'all, how old are y'all, you know?
Nigga,
Wait, why do you sound like you're from like Tampa? If
you're
this is
from Brampton. Fix your accent, buddy. Oh.
Hey, Ole Ali. These hoes young in here.
Brampton. The fuck? You don't talk?
What's that shit you got on? Some Naruto shit?
Yeah. I have a white sweater with Itachi's eyes. This has Sasuke's eyes on it.
Alright, bitch. How old you?
21.
Are you Guyanese or some shit?
Nope.
So what's your background?
I'm Tamil.
Oh, you Indian ain't here. I'm gonna see you again though. Hold on there, little twin. Hold on there, little twin. Man, why this shit so low, cuz?
What?
How old you?
What?
How old are you?
14.
What the hell?
Your watch valid, nigga? Damn.
Hey, go check my jeweler. I'm tagged on his page. LORETT. I'm on his page. I'm like the second to last post.
How much?
Please don't, nigga.
Fuck boy, hold that shot there. Pop, 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 pop.
Are you from Canada?
Can you pull your ski mask up real quick?
She can't stay. She can't stay. I will hit. But you. What the boy? You look zesty. Zesty boy, come down. Fuck. You nigga look zesty, boy. Why you so zesty, boy? Get your zesty ass up on out of here, boy.